How to know Netflix password when logged in. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can find Netflix password when logged in. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com to enter the official website of Netflix. Then press enter to browse it. Once it loads, you will find this interface on your screen. Here at the top right, you will find sign in button. Click on this button and you will be presented with the login interface. Here in the first box, you'll have to enter the email address associated with your Netflix account. And in the second box, enter your valid password of your Netflix account. After you enter your password and email address, now if you want to check your password or know your password of Netflix, you can click on this I button that says show password. By clicking on this I button, you will be able to view this password that you have entered in this box, which is currently in the dot form. You can also use this I button to double check your password if it is correctly entered or not. Now after entering all your details, click on the sign in button and you will be able to access to your Netflix account. Also, Netflix doesn't provide a direct way to view your password while logged in for security reasons. However, you can change your password or reset it if needed. If you want to see your current password, you can't do that within the Netflix interface. Instead, you will typically need to use your browser's password manager or check your saved password if you have saved it there. Keep in mind that if you have forgotten your current password and can't log in, you will need to reset it using the Forget Your Password button on the Netflix sign-in page and recover your password. So in this way, you can find your Netflix password when logged in. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.